Hello, today we're going to be reviewing a product from Desert West. It's a gravity held cell phone holder which slides onto the air vent in your car. If you'd like to see how it works, stay tuned. Okay, first of all, I will try this with one hand. This fly nut right here opens and closes the mount's mouth. So when you put it in the vent with the slots, right here as you can see, you tighten it up with this wing nut so it doesn't come out. So let me put this on right now. See how loose this is? When I go and tighten this up, as you can see, this is not going to go anywhere. Now when you have that installed, you want to attach it to this via the ball socket. Then you tighten it up. Then adjust it to your liking. Then place your cell phone in the cradle. As you can see, it's held in by gravity. One thing I didn't like about this is when you put it on the side, it releases. But I like this mount.